Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons at home. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: almond flour, powdered sugar, granulated sugar, and egg whites. Precision is key, so use a kitchen scale for accurate measurements. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature. This helps achieve the perfect consistency for your batter. Getting these first steps right sets the foundation for delicious macarons. Next, we focus on the meringue, which is the heart of your macaron. Start by whipping your egg whites until they reach soft peaks. Then, slowly incorporate the granulated sugar, continuing to whip until the mixture becomes stiff, glossy, and holds its shape beautifully. This stable meringue is crucial for the macaron structure and its signature feat. Don't rush this step. Patience pays off. Now comes macaronage, the delicate process of folding your dry ingredients into the meringue. Mix until the batter flows slowly and smoothly, like molten lava, forming a ribbon when lifted. This is a critical stage. Overmixing or undermixing can ruin your macarons. Once ready, transfer the batter to a piping bag with a round tip and pipe consistent circles, about 1.5 inches wide, onto your baking sheet. Finally, let your piped macarons rest for about 30 to 60 minutes, or until a slight skin forms on top. This resting period helps develop their characteristic feat. Bake them in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. Once baked, let them cool completely on the baking sheet before gently peeling them off and filling them with your delicious ganache or buttercream. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.